Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. As you can see, today we are making cupcakes, okay? It's cornmeal cupcakes. It's so delicious and very easy to make. So if you are new here, you are welcome. If you're an old subscriber coming back, thank you so much for coming back. Just look at this. Just look at it. It's so fluffy and it's very delicious. Come along with me and let's do this. So guys, to start, I have my cornmeal. I'll put all the measurement down in the description box, okay? And then I add some desiccated coconut. Guys, it makes it so good, so try it. And I add some baking powder. So this is all my dry ingredients, and I mix it nicely until it's well incorporated. For the wet ingredients, I have condensed milk in my bowl and I'll add some vanilla extract. Okay, I'll put all the measurement down in the description box, so don't worry about it. And I'm going to add some double cream. Okay, some people say heavy cream or double cream. And then I mix it nicely until it's really well mixed. As you can see, it's now mixed nicely. I'm adding the dry ingredients. You see how easy it is. It's very easy, but I tell you, it's so delicious. Right guys, we've mixed it nicely. It's all mixed and all done. So we're going to put them into our cupcake molds. As you can see here, you fill it up to the top and then we are going to put that into the oven. So our cupcakes is all filled and done. Put that into the oven at 180 degrees for 20 minutes or until the toothpick come out dry. All right guys, the aroma in my kitchen is amazing. It smells so delicious. I took it out from the oven and it's amazing. So as you can see, it's very easy to do and it tastes absolutely delicious. It's light and it's fluffy. So if you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching and may God richly bless you. Bye.